guys, hope you're all doing well. Today I want to show you a super simple watermelon and strawberry refresher. This is going to be one of those recipes that is very watery but refreshing. So the perfect thing you would need to cool down on a hot day. So I had bought a watermelon that didn't really, to be honest, it didn't taste the greatest. It was overly ripe and quite watery, as you can kind of tell here. So this is the perfect way to use it up, and it's absolutely delicious as well. So here's what I do. I've got this Pyrex here. I'm going to go ahead and fill it 4 cups worth of watermelon. And I kind of, like you can see, I kind of go over a little bit. Oh, excuse you, Sophie. My dog's over here hacking. Okay, you know what? I'm definitely going to go over because I have just a tiny bit here and I might as well just use it up. So I'm going to do that. Why let it go to waste, right? So, boom. Use up all of that watermelon. I'm going to throw this in the sink. Also grabbed my little mason jar here because we're going to need that. All right, so then this goes in. And then you're going to need 1 cup of, approximately 1 cup. I basically grab a handful like this. It's probably about 1 cup of strawberries. And then last is you're going to need some ice. So let me go ahead and grab some ice really quick. All right, here we go. So we got about 1 cup of ice here. We're going to just throw that in the blender. And this is really all that you need. If you wanted to sweeten it up a bit, you could add a banana as a natural sweetener. I don't like to add banana because I feel like it takes over. This is really just like a watery, sort of like slight watermelon and strawberry flavored beverage. You know, if you've been out on a hot day cutting your lawn and you've got a watermelon that you want to use up, you're absolutely going to love this because it's just so refreshing. That's why I'm calling it a watermelon strawberry refresher. And watermelon is so good for you, and so are strawberries. So me personally, I'm just going to drink this for breakfast today. So stinking good. I hope you guys give this a try because I really think you'll love it, and it's super simple. You could also add mint to this if you want to add a little something extra. Again, I feel like sometimes mint can take over, so I don't. I personally just love this blend. It works really well. Definitely give it a try. So I have a Vitamix. I think with any blender, really, if you put the watermelon on the bottom, you don't need to add any water to this. The watermelon is going to break down into water. So you'll notice I'll put this on just real slow, and it's already breaking down. So once it gets down to this, then I turn it up and really let this go. Okay, and that looks good to me. So we'll stop there. And then I like to just use one of these monster, it's like a 2-cup or 3-cup mason jar. And then I will just put this in here. You can see what I mean, like it's really watery. You'll get some of the ice toward the end that'll kind of go in there. Not ice, but it'll be a little bit thicker where the ice was. But isn't that a beauty, you guys? Seriously, it is so stinking good. I'm telling you guys, this is a winner. You guys will absolutely love this recipe. Super, super simple and so good for you. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.